pretty nice Sunday afternoon today, so I thought I'd come out in the barn and do some stuff. And I thought I'd make a fast video on some of the projects I'll be doing hopefully this summer. And this last year we went to some auctions and picked up a lot of different tools and stuff. That's usually where I go to pick up my tools, or at auctions. And I thought I'd do a fast video, show you what I got planned for this summer. And if there's any comments or any questions about the tools I show, or any suggestions on what I should do with them, feel free to make a comment. And for Scout Crafter out there, hopefully you like some of the tools you see. I know you like, you've done some of them, restored some of them, and so hopefully you enjoy it too. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye. Here's another group of tools I got this last summer. Rigids, clamps, I believe that's a railroad spike hammerhead. Got a lot of ball beams and other hammers I got to put handles on and clean them up. So these old monkey wrenches. Let's see if I can get a name off for you guys. Kind of rough shape. There's a, it's got a B on it, and they look nice. Scout Crafter, you'll like this group. A lot of these I've already started oiling up and de-rusting, just to make it easier when it's time to get them cleaned up. A little eye candy for you, Scout Crafter. Some wrenches. Thanks, everyone. Got one more. Here's another item, a sharpener, benchtop sharpener. I want to take apart, clean her up. And I got another flat full of like some bicycle wrenches in there. I gotta clean up. Some pruners. And a little vise in there too. And some tape or measuring sticks. I got this one, this is a unique international wrench. International harvester wrench. It's marked 5E. I already got it taken apart. There's the marking on it. So that'll probably go on the wall. I collect a lot of the International Harvester wrenches. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Have a great day.